My name is JD Graves. I've worked for Timber Products for 4 going on 5 years now, and I'm a dryer laborer. I've started as a dryer feeder on roto shift. I've learned pretty much every machine center that they have here, or that an opportunity came up to learn. A big thing is like learning different species of wood and things like that I didn't know ahead of time before I came here. So whenever I very first started, I didn't know the difference between like Doug fir, white fir, thicknesses, things like that. So after, a few months, you start catching on and paying attention to certain things. Like you can tell if you're running 1/6 of an inch and you see 1/8 in the same load, to where, you wouldn't notice that outside of feeding the dryer. So yeah, I chose Timber Products because I primarily have worked since I've been an adult in manufacturing or production in general. So it was a pretty easy transition from any of the other positions that I was in, just because I had prior experience on machine operations, things like that. I've gotten to move up to a lot of different positions and just put in a lot of effort, and it gets rewarded. And I continue to choose this place because I get to go home every day knowing that, the first thing that comes to anybody's mind is safety. So I get to go home, see my family, and, continue my life. My aspirations for Timber Products and my career here, I'd be leaning towards trying to get into management. I've learned a lot of different positions and a lot of different machine centers and have a vast knowledge, and I feel that would help me get into a management position. That way they get someone who understands the machine centers, they understand how everything operates. I can't say I have one proud moment. It's a bunch of them, and it's typically whenever we get new hires in and we're going over safety and training for different machine centers, and seeing those new hires later on implementing the same exact trainings that I've given them to other people, and also seeing them use proper lockout tagout the way that you showed them how to do it. Those are probably the most proud moments for me. Yeah, the people that I work with, the culture here is pretty awesome. Like just knowing that everybody's worried about your safety and things like that. Another thing that I enjoy about my job is that management trusts us to go ahead and do our jobs properly and efficiently without, too much oversight or anything like that. They know that we've been trained properly and we're going to get the job done. The things I enjoy the most about my job, I would have to say freedom, the ability to go about doing my tasks and not worrying whether or not someone's going to come and interrupt me during, me doing my thing. I would say the biggest challenge that I've had here is just trying to gain a vast knowledge of the machinery and how everything operates. But that's one of the amazing things about this place is when you talk to your supervisor about getting more training for another job center, another machine, they're more than willing to accommodate. So it's pretty awesome. The culture around here with think safe, work safe, home safe is just amazing. It's exactly that. Everybody is looking out for everybody. Everyone wants all of us to do our 8 hours and make it home at the end of the day. So the work culture here is amazing. Our safety committee is built from the ground up and not from the roof down. So with that being said, it's all of us working together on improving the environment that we work in. They encourage us to come in and join these committees, and that's an amazing feat. The thing that I value the most about working at Timber Products is the culture here, the people that we work with. Everybody is looking out for everyone. Everybody wants to teach and to learn here. So I'd have to say that'd be it.